Nature boy, you're alright. I said, nature boy.